Hello, welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. A bit of a chilly start on Friday with a frost in many places, but for most it's a beautiful looking day. Plenty of autumn sunshine and things then change, turning increasingly windy and eventually it'll turn wet in the west later. Now, it's not completely dry. Through the morning, a sprinkling of showers over the Highlands. They tend to fade. We'll keep one or two across Caithness, Sutherland and the Northern Isles into the early afternoon. But they'll be few and far between. For most places, as I said, it's dry, it's fine, starts a bit frosty, and eventually temperatures creep up with the help of a bit of sunshine to, well, still single figures in most places. We might, from Dundee down to Edinburgh, see one or two spots getting up to 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Generally, across the southwest, it is a cool but sunny day here. Same goes through the central belt and up the east coast. Again, plenty of sunshine on offer here. Blue skies pretty much all day. There could be, as I say, a few showers early on across the far north and through the Northern Isles, maybe one or two even into the afternoon. But even here, I think the showers tending to fade by the end of the day. One of the changes will be in the west, where the cloud will thicken, the sunshine turning hazy over the Highlands and eventually turning quite grey over the Western Isles, with some initial spots of rain coming in the evening. But then you can see the rain really does take over across the west during the night. And once it's arrived, it lingers and lingers for most of Saturday, and it could cause some problems. So much so that we have issued a yellow warning for Saturday for parts of western and southwestern Scotland. We could easily see 30 to 50 millimetres by the end of Saturday, and in places maybe as much as 80 millimetres of rain. That's going to make for some pretty miserable travelling conditions, may even affect public transport. So we do have that yellow warning in force. As the wet weather moves in on Friday night into Saturday morning, it does make for a much milder night, although we could still get close to freezing across the northeast for a time. But all change there through the weekend, because high pressure bringing most places a sunny day on Friday. This low pressure system takes over, and it's this wriggling, waving weather fronts that will continue to bring that rain through Saturday. That's why we have that warning in force. And notice a lot of isobars packed together as well. So it's going to be a blustery day on Saturday wherever you are, but it will also be wet across the west. However, some places, particularly say across Murray, may well see some fine weather, a bit of sunshine. Where we do see that, temperatures could get into the mid-teens. But elsewhere, for most, although it will be milder, there will be that wet weather around on Saturday. May well scoot through. Sunday looks a bit brighter, but there will still be some blustery showers around. Get the very latest on that Met Office weather warning through the Met Office website, or there's a full UK weekend forecast available on YouTube.